has more than 60 lighthouses along its shore. They were built to guide ships. Early American Indians hunted and fished in Maine. Early explorers included Spanish, English, and even Vikings, but the French settled the area in 1604. Maine is nicknamed the Pine Tree State because pine trees once 90% of covered Maine's forest. Maine is the most northeastern state in the nation. It is the only state with just one syllable. It has the largest ocean fish catches in the nation. The capital of Maine is Augusta. It was decided by the Plymouth Colony in 1628. Maine is mostly surrounded by Canada and one side by New Hampshire. This is the state flag, and the state area is the moose. And wild blueberries grow in Maine. Landlocked salmon is the state fish, and lobsters, and 120 million pounds of lobster were caught off the coast of Maine in 2015. And this is the lighthouse right here.
Isn't that a flying fish? That's a flying fish, right?
No, he's just jumping to salmon.
Never mind.
And this is the
I love
state.
fish can fly.
And this is the
What
Fish can
fish
fly.
can Well,
She wants to get back in the water.
Earmuffs were invented in Maine.
Oh, never knew that.
What was invented?
Earmuffs.
It makes
And
sense.
this is the sign when you enter Maine.
Very cool.
Welcome to Maine, the way life should be.
Flip it over, Liddy.
Turn it over. Whoa.
These are the forest trees. And this is the White Pine Castle. It was named the star flower, state flower of Maine on February 1st, 1895. And this is the birch tree right here, and the spruce tree, and the white pine. The name is right here, and Augusta is right here. And the state seal is right here. And the state bird is the chickadee. The state flower is the white pine cone and castle. The state flag is Maine. The state animal is the moose. And the state tree is the white pine. This is Moosehead Lake and Sugarloaf Mountain.
That's okay, Lydia. That's good enough.
Okay, very good. Now we know so much more about Maine. Very good. So who wants to go next?